Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Chatbase API in 2026. If you want to connect your chatbot with your own application or automate AI conversations, the API makes it simple. So let's get started. First, open Chatbase in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then select the AI agent you want to connect with the API. Next, go to the *API** or developer ** section in your dashboard. Yeah, this is where you'll find your API key and the documentation you need to get started. Now, copy your API key and keep it secure. Never share it publicly because it gives access to your chatbot. After that, use the API endpoint in your application or backend. Include your API key in the request headers, send your user's message, and Chatbase will return an AI-generated response. Before deploying your application, test your API requests with a tool like Postman or your own development environment. If something doesn't work, check your API key, request format, and error messages to identify the issue quickly. And that's it. You now know how to use the Chatbase API to integrate AI features into your own apps and workflows. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.